You are only as strong as you envision yourself to be. Diet and nutrition are just a part of the plan. My outside temple will only crumble without a sturdy foundation. Knowing this, in terms of my body image, I can choose to stay just as I am, or I can take measures to be better than I was. Despite the stresses in life, the added weight, illnesses, unclaimed physical limitations, I am reclaiming my body and my strength day by day. I've made a commitment to a better me, inside and out. Aches, pains, sweat, and yes, a few tears will be worth the journey to a healthier, toned, fit, stronger, and sexier me. Thanks for joining me on this journey. And remember to have a beautiful day and a beautiful life. See you soon.